Hi everybody, it's Ala. Welcome back to my channel. So I did something crazy, okay? And for a lot of people, they think I'm crazy. A lot of people said like, well done, they don't know how to do it. I just completed an 86-hour fast. It was a water fast and I stopped drinking water after 5 p.m. as well. So it's kind of like water plus dry fast. Honestly, I did not plan to do so many hours. I was just kind of getting back into my usual routine. And I was like, let me do 36 hours. Let me test the waters. I haven't done fasting. Usually I have massive headaches and I feel bad, but this time something changed. Like I didn't feel anything bad. I had a lot of energy, not like a lot, but you know, decent amount. I was probably running still on pizzas and pastas that I've been eating in the last couple of weeks, out a lot. So yeah, but basically I was like, let me do a 36-hour fast. And then it ended up being 3 days. And then I was like, you know what? I can do another bit. Instead of 68 hours or 72, I decided to do 86 hours. So I actually broke my fast this morning with my homemade broth. You do have that recipe, by the way, on my YouTube channel. It's called keto bone broth, which is an amazing thing to do, especially after you've been fasting for a long time. It's the best thing you can give for your body. It's easy to digest, it's delicious, and it's just protein and good minerals and fats and amino acids. But anyway, that's not what I want to talk about. I mean, I was just sharing what's been happening this week. It's been a bit wild. So the big things that are happening actually is, of course, Valentine's Day is coming up next week. But you know what's even better? After the Valentine's Day, it's my actual birthday. So it's kind of crazy. Like I am turning 36 and it's so weird because I don't feel that at all. Like I feel like I'm 25. I should probably be more serious. I don't know, but it's been kind of like really awesome to maintain the same energy. And I know I talk to a lot of people, they also feel that they never feel their age when it's their birthday because you have a young soul, right? You have young desires, like nothing changes, you just become wiser, which is kind of cool too. I still feel the same and I just want to do more things and I'm a lot more wiser. So, but the big thing is Valentine's Day course. This is kind of like last minute. We usually tell everyone about the courses, new courses or anything like that weeks in advance, but we had a lot of demand and I had a lot of private messages from my existing students asking me if I'm doing anything for Valentine's Day. So I'm doing a very, very soft launch of Valentine's Day course. Which is only going to be, well, it's only launching in literally a few days. But if you wanted to make something special, I've designed these beautiful cakes. They're layered mousse cakes with different elements, the most delicious flavors you can find. We've got mango and blueberry, we've got pistachio chocolate and raspberry, we've got kiwi, lime, and avocado. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's so freaking good. And we also got, what do we have? Triple chocolate and hazelnut. These are the top flavors anyway for whenever you sell cakes or you want to make them. These are like the favorites out of everything. So yeah, so we're doing the soft launch. It's waitlist only, which means you cannot get this course anywhere else. It's not going to be officially anywhere on my website, anywhere. So you can get on a wait list today and we will open the enrollment straight away. So if you wanted to make these 4 stunning cakes, make sure to get on a wait list. We'll send you all the bonuses as well. There's a couple of bonuses we're giving you. Actually, not a couple, like 3 or 4 actually. So quite a lot of bonuses. And I'm not launching this course probably until next year, or we don't know if we're going to launch it again. For those of you who've done any of my mochi courses or any of my other courses, you know, now it's kind of like it comes and it goes. So if you're the type of person who loves the cakes, who made some of my cakes before and you want to learn some new skills, then you have to come on this course, okay? It's going to be very, very simple in a sense that, you know, you're going to get the course straight away. You're going to have access to all the Valentine's Day cakes straight away because we know the Valentine's Day is just around the corner and some of our clients and students, they actually sell the cakes. So if you're the type of person who sells the cakes, don't worry, you'll get access straight away. And we'll have welcome webinar where I'll explain to you everything you need to know. For most of the cakes, if you're a baker, if you already baked any cakes with me before or you've been baking in the past, you probably have all the ingredients, you have all the tools, so you don't really need to get anything extra. If you've never baked before, we will create the Amazon shopping basket for you. You can literally just go click and order whatever you need. So we've made it super simple for you, so you don't have to like research, waste time and hours. Like honestly, every course that we do, we make it so simple for you. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. And yeah, put your name on the wait list if you want to hear about this course. Like I said, it's just 1 week offer, and I'm not planning to do it again until next year, if we even do it next year. So yes, and if you want to see what cakes you're gonna make in more detail, like, or I'm like more of a visual person, I'm gonna include some videos here, but it's all in the website. All right, and being on a wait list does not oblige you to do anything. So if you decide that you don't actually want to do the course, no worries, no one's gonna force you to do anything. So this is just your name, so you get the information about the course. But anyway, guys, I hope you have a fantastic week. I am actually busy this week planning and launching the course because we decided to do it like last minute. And so yeah, on Saturday we will open all the lessons, and so there's a lot of pre-work ahead of time. We obviously worked already last month, but we just didn't know if we can make it. But I asked in my Facebook group, I said, would anyone be interested in my private K Club group? And we had, over 60 comments, replies, people saying, yes, 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 please release it, please do it. So I said, okay, if I get enough people, we will launch it. And now we have a lot of people. So yeah, and actually, next week, like I said, it's my birthday and Valentine's Day, so I am going on a surprise trip away. My boyfriend planned something and he's taking me away, and he just told me that I'm leaving on Tuesday, and I actually don't know the destination yet. And then I'm going back to America to see him, so we're going to be spending a couple of weeks together. We're doing a bit of a long distance relationship right now because he lives in America, I live in Mexico. So it just happened to be that we met, but we're in a different country. So right now we're just doing a bit of long distance with traveling back and forth. And I know that it's really cold in America where he is. It's like snowing, it's like snowstorms, and we're probably going to some tropical destination. So I have to think how to pack my bag because it's a lot of packing for like 2 different types of weathers. But I'm very excited. I don't know where he's taking me. He said it's somewhere close to Mexico. So let me know in the comments down below. Guess where do you think he's taking me? I'm actually very surprised too. I have no idea. I kind of have a little incline between 2 countries. So we'll see. But I will share with you next week the vlog. It might be a bit of a cheesy romantic vlog about Valentine's Day and, place that he's taking me in. And so yeah, so I'm actually very, very excited, very energetic. Like I said, after the fast, it's giving me so much energy, so much boost. I feel mentally clear. I feel body is clear. I've lost about 3.5 kilos after doing this fast, which is amazing because I feel incredible. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know how everything is, and I see you all soon. Bye.